सर्वांके नमस्कार. आमगेल व्हिडिओ सगळं तुम्ही सगळं चैता इदकुनु नंक चा संतोष असा. आमगेल ये विशेष संस्कार तुम्ही कोण विसरूपणा तुम्ही तुंगल चड्डुआने ये मुकार्यन के घेन उचुका ते बेगेसल सन प्रयत्न तुम्ही घेने व्यू मात्र ने कोरका लाइक शेयर and subscribe कोरका.
Tomato curry. When you're short of dals or want to cook some curry quickly, tomato curry is what you can try out. You can find this recipe in our KKAG blog by my friend and co-author Shilpa Shanbag. Take 2 large tomatoes and mark a cross on each. Then drop in hot water. Cover to cook for a minute or 2 until you can see that the skin has wrinkled. Now peel off the skin and chop the tomatoes to pieces. Here is a quarter cup of grated coconut. Add the tomatoes, 1 or 2 green chilies according to your spice level, and a little tamarind paste. Now grind this to a smooth paste. You may not need water to grind. Transfer paste to a pan, adding more water. But do not make it too thin. Now bring this to a boil. Add salt to. Then reduce flame and cook for a few more minutes until the raw smell has gone. For tempering, splatter mustard seeds. Then add 1 or 2 broken red chilies, hing and some curry leaves. Pour this over the tomato curry. You may also add hing water too. A tasty curry is ready to be served with hot rice and a papad. Some ghee too to make it even more flavorful. As usual, please like, share and subscribe.